Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of PopxoBeauty Makeup Masterclass. So for today's video, I decided to create these peach smoky eyes with a hint of blue. So without further delay, let's get right into the video. So that was it for the video guys. Let me know what you think about this look in the comment section below. And since you love us and our content so much, you can join the MyGlamm and POPxo Insider program and get Rs 150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link is down in the description box. And for more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PopxoBeauty Daily.
Press the bell icon to never miss a video from PopxoBeauty Daily.